Good morning. I had to take a little solo walk here for the first Krabi sunrise. It's hard to sleep in this place. But doing good. Might get a little jog in. We got the mountains behind us there, the karsts, limestone cliffs. Oh, that sunrise is really nice. We got some floated clouds. Okay, that's it. Good morning. Good morning, Krabi. We are off to go get motorbikes, ride them around, and explore and get some breakfast and everything.
I fell going up the stairs, and then Riley hit his head on my elbow. And then...
This is my second time to this breakfast place this morning.
I'm really hungry.
That's it. Yeah, banana smoothie.
We're not gonna be able to demolished breakfast. What'd you get, Ginge?
Waffle.
Porridge.
Pancake with honey and fruit. Omelet, ham, cheese.
Okay, so our first stop is a lake.
Very nice.
Collecting sap? Rubber! I bet these are rubber trees. No. I don't know. Don't know.
Oh, here's our friends. Hey friends.
These are rubber trees.
They are! I knew it!
So
Whoa.
look at, you can see
Whoa! Whoa!
And you can see them tapping the rubber trees.
I knew it! That's what I...
Made it to the first stop.
I'm sweating.
Here's our... There's Jason and Miles' motorbike. And me and Ginger's bike. Miles, what are your thoughts on the motorbike?
Amazing. Wind through your hair.
So
Beautiful
nice.
views, scenic drive.
Jason, what are your thoughts?
Very nice. It's nice to be a passenger princess. Miles is doing great.
Oh yeah, we got some kayakers there. Ginger, what are your thoughts of the motorbike?
So fun.
So now we're enjoy the views and go to the next stop.
Some nice karsts over there.
Yeah, these are karsts, right?
Yeah.
We think.
K-A-R-S-T-S.
It's like just very big, straight, giant bumps.
Of limestone.
It's a landscape I've never seen. Very unique, very cool.
Not a complaint in the world. I never once ever says I wish I didn't do it. I never once.
There you go.
So I guess I made the right decision.
Yeah, I'd say so. How long
Here we are at our swimming hole. Crystal clear, beautifully blue. They're gonna go diving in it because turns out it's 240 meters deep. Our little swimming hole here. We might get this rope swing going, but we don't want to disturb them diving right now.
Amazing pool swimming spot that Miles found. We're going for a little hike to a cave and then get some lunch. We'll see what that is, but yeah, just a beautiful place. And there's some scuba divers down there. Very cool. Deep cave.
Here we go.
Hiking time.
200 meters.
Whoa. You trip on the tripping here.
Free lunch right here?
Wow.
Well, maybe it was temple adjacent at one point, because there's a spirit house inside.
Wow, this is pretty crazy.
Oh. You wanna rock climb that?
That'd be pretty cool.
It keeps going.
Wow.
And look, here are some of the formations. They've tried.
This is so cool.
Loading back up on the bikes. Going to lunch. Time for lunch. All right, we got a couple shakes, we got a salad, we got some pad thai, and some fried rice. This is our place for eating lunch.
Good little lunch spot.
I'd say it's a decent view. Wow, it's crazy. One thing I wanted this trip, a coconut. Look at that.
Okay, Riley, you have to make your first sip.
Can I look in there? Okay, first sip. I want to see what was in there. Mmm.
Young coconut.
Mmm. That's so good.
Yeah, that's a good coconut.
Well, I didn't know if you wanted to make drinks in it.
Mmm. Whoa. Me and Jason got some chicken pad thai. Ginger and Miles have not got their food, but they got pineapple fried rice. Well, I think Ginger got the coolest looking food ever.
The coolest plate.
Oh my goodness, look at this thing.
My God.
It's crazy.
This is my dream come true.
So it's a pineapple fried rice?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
That's it.
More? Don't put that thing down, girl. Boy. Miles is on emergency poop mission. Zoom in. Miles has returned from war. Didn't make it home, but did the deeds in the woods successfully. We are all good.
Is this going in the video?
Yes.
He's next.
We are now going to the ocean. Oh, I got some friends here.
Call it over.
We are going to see the ocean, but by motorbike. So we got a ways to go.
Hit the road.
Let's do it.
Wait, will someone take a picture of me and Ryan?
We're on this very solid, not even rocky pier. Seems to be low tide, as you can see. Water's a little bit out there. We're gonna go check out the views. Just grab it from behind. There's a little crab. Ow! Did it bite you?
Almost.
We are first to the beach, to the ocean, I should say.
Way out here. Oh, she's warm.
She's warm. Like bath water.
Yep.
Like 80 degrees plus.
I think it's meant to be hotter.
Post Motorbike. We are going to the market. Whoops. Where are we gonna get the market, Ginge?
I don't know.
Food?
Yeah.
Maybe some drinks?
Yeah.
Very nice. Sushi time. Wow. We ordered a sausage dog, and we're like, oh dang, there's no sausage on there. Well, turns out there's a sausage in there.
It was like this much bigger.
Yeah, it was
like this big.
It was big, and then this is the sausage.
Australian vacation woman.
It wasn't that strong. Look at the
I've never been in more pain in my life. I jumped right on it.
We're checking photos, reliving memories already.
Oh yes.
Guys, you didn't see this. Oh my god, I like poured it, and not like on the side to dunk it in, like on top. He stopped and told me to stop.
See, I put mine on the side.
No, and so then I went.
We're leaving the bar here.
Wow. Cool spot. Really
Very cool spot.
So I've decided that the durian that we tried is a mix between cantaloupe and honeydew in the flavor itself. But then the texture is like marshmallow meets fruit bread and a little bit of pineapple on the bite in the beginning. That's how I described the durian we had. Up for discussion.
I'm a fan. I agree with that.
But it was really good.
Wait, give me a minute. It's early, 5:19. We're getting ready to hike.
Oh yeah.
1,260 stairs.
That's how
My
many it
legs
is.
already
Yeah.
hurt. My legs already hurt.
And then
Stretch out.
we got some snacks and some waters. Gingy's got her lamp. All right.